Welcome to JH. So, Nutratology Biotin is out here promising you Rapunzel hair, Wolverine nails, and skin that glows like a radioactive isotope. I've been diving deep into this Canadian supplement that everyone is buzzing about, mostly because I wanted to see if the claims were legit or if it's just another expensive pill for people who treat their hair like a delicate Victorian child. What we have here is a doctor-formulated punch of 10,000 micrograms of pure biotin, otherwise known as vitamin B7. It's aimed at adults who want to fix brittle nails or boost hair growth from the inside out. Apparently, one capsule a day is all you need to support natural beauty, which is a lovely way of saying you're paying for what your diet probably should have provided anyway. Now, let's get real about the science before you start expecting a mane like a show horse. Biotin is essential for breaking down fats and carbs, but here's the kicker. Most of you aren't actually deficient. You can get your fix from eggs and bananas, which are significantly cheaper and don't require a fancy bottle. Research shows it's a lifesaver if you're actually lacking the stuff. But if you're already healthy, the evidence is about as thin as the hair you're trying to fix. Surprisingly, users are actually raving about it, reporting stronger nails in weeks and less breakage. One person even swapped 4 pills from another brand for just one of these, which is either a miracle or a very efficient placebo. Nutratology does get points for quality, though. They are Health Canada registered, third-party lab tested, and non-GMO, which is reassuring for the My Body is a Temple crowd who still want lab-tested safety. However, you need to remember that biotin isn't magic. If your diet is already balanced and your genetics have decided your hair's fate, don't expect a supplement to perform a total reconstruction. Think of it as insurance rather than a miracle cure. Also, a fun tip. High-dose biotin can mess with your thyroid and heart tests, so maybe mention it to your doctor unless you want to give them a very confusing and stressful afternoon. My honest take is that Nutratology Biotin isn't going to transform you into a hair model overnight, but it might help you reach your natural potential if you have nutritional gaps. The quality looks solid, and the safety profile is good for those who actually need the boost. Just set realistic expectations. This is about supporting what your body can naturally do, not creating miracles out of thin air. If this helped you navigate the supplement jungle, hit like and subscribe. I break down the latest hype every week so you don't have to waste your money on empty promises. Check out the playlist if you're still undecided, and let me know, is this a win for you, or are you passing? Drop a comment below.